The following is for 2008 Math 115 Department Final, Question 3, number 19, 20, and 21. Number 19, we have a perfect square with two terms inside. Now, the way this can be done, I will show you two ways. And the first way is the way I think you're supposed to know and supposed to memorize, is a minus b squared pattern. Okay, now this is equals to, as we remember, this is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now, following that pattern, if we use a, replace a by 5x and the b by 4y, then it will be, the a will be 5x being squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared, which then, if we simplify further, it will be 25x squared minus 40xy plus 16y squared. Now, this is a method I believe you're supposed to know and do in this question. Now, however, some students without a strong background, or maybe you have no confidence in that answer, you can do it another way. It is by rewriting this complete perfect square into product of two binomial. And then from here we do the FOIL. The first terms will be 25x squared. The outer terms will be, the outer term will be negative 20xy. The inner term will be negative 4y times 5x is minus 20xy. And then the last term will be negative 4y times negative 4y, that is positive 16y squared. And then we combine the middle two like terms. That will be 25x squared minus 40xy plus 16y squared. Okay, notice that both of our answers in the first method and the second method match, and that gives us answer D. Okay, number 20, express the number in scientific notation. We have 5,400,000. What we do to break it up into scientific notation, I take the leading number followed by point and all the non-zeros, all the digits after that, non-zero digit maybe, or in some sense, multiplied by the place value of the leading digit, which is 1 million. And then I change that 1 million into base 10, which is 10 to the 6. Okay, that gives us answer B. Now notice that if you see part A, that will give us actually the same answer with that. The problem is this is not a scientific notation due to the first part here. You know that the first number should be between 0 to 1. 1 to 10. Okay, the first part here has to be between 1 greater than or equals to 1, but less than, strictly less than 10. Okay, that's for number 20. Number 21, simplify the following. It is dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Now, every time you divide by a monomial, what you can do is you break it up into many terms. Like here you have 3 terms divided by that monomial, what I will do is I divide each term on the top by 2xy, and then from there I will simplify it. Oh, by the way, the answer here is supposed to be xy. You will see later on that's the final answer. There's a typo there. This is 8x squared y over 2xy, 2x squared y squared over 2xy, and this is then equals to, when I reduce this or simplify this will be 2y squared for the first term. The second term will be 4x, right? 8 divided by 2, the x squared over x is x, the y cancel, and then the last term, the 2 cancels, x squared over x is x, y squared over y is y. Okay, so we come up with answer C. That's for Fall 2008 Math 115, Department Final, version 3.